What's up guys, it's MacGeek Alex here, and today I'm going to talk about one of the ways you can transfer files to and from your Android device. There are many ways you can do that. You can do it over Wi-Fi. I know some of you like to use Android file transfer. This is another way using the terminal on the Mac, and I know some of you have had trouble with connecting to Android file transfer. So if that's the case, you can use this method to transfer files to and from your Android device. So let's get to it. First of all, make sure you have platform tools installed as always. If not, you can check out the videos that I've posted on how you can do that, link in the description below. So let's head right to the demo. So here's my phone, and this is just a file explorer that I have here. I'm using Solid Explorer. You can choose to use a different one if you prefer them. Many of them out there, most of them are free. So I'm in this folder called Adb Phone, which is right under my SD card directory. So as you can see, the folder is currently empty. There's nothing in it. And what I will do is I'll head over to my desktop right now and cd into the platform tools directory. Cd means change directory. So I'm at root now. So I'm going to go cd change directory. And since my platform tools folder is on the desktop, as you can see here, I'm going to go over to desktop /platform-tools, and that should take me into the platform tools directory, which is exactly this directory right here that you can see here. So I'm going to do an ls to list my platform tools directory, and what I'm interested in is using this command here called adb. Now first off, you want to make sure that you have Android debugging set up on your phone. So let's go check it out. I'm gonna go into settings here, pull down my shades, go into settings, and you're gonna want to scroll down to developer options right here. So what this does is yours may be off, the default is off. Alright, so I'm going to turn mine back on and scroll down to the section called debugging and enable Android debugging. Now what this does is it enables your computer to talk to your phone via this interface called Adb. So once I have that set up, I can jump right back into Solid Explorer right here, and now I can begin the task of transferring file over. So I've set up a file here in another folder on my desktop called adb demo, and in this file I've written something in it. This is a demo of how to transfer files to and from your Android device using adb. So I put some content in there, and what I'd like to do is to transfer this file from this folder over here onto my adb phone folder on the phone. Okay, so I'm going to make use of adb. So let's first check that my device is connected by going to /adb devices, and you should see a bunch of numbers popping up indicating that your device is actually attached to the computer. Oh, before I forget, you actually should be connected to your computer via the USB cable, of course. So just make sure you've already done that, and if you've done that, you should see your device show up here. And I will go to adb. The command I'm going to use is adb push, which means to push the file from my computer onto my Android device. So I'm going to push the file that I saw in this folder here, desktop, because this folder is in my desktop, and name of the folder is adb-desktop, and then adb, I don't remember the file name, but I'm going to press tab to complete the file name. Alright, so let me just expand this so you can see it a little better. So I'm going to transfer this file over here in the folder adb desktop, adbdemo.txt, that's that file over there, onto my phone, which I want to put into the adb phone directory. So I'm going to put /sd card adb-phone/. Okay, this last slash is important. So what this will do is transfer it from this folder in desktop, ADB desktop here, onto my SD card, under which I have an ADB phone directory. So it's not going to change the file name because I did not specify a different file name. You can choose to specify a file name if you prefer. I'm going to press enter, and this isn't live logging, so you can't see it show up immediately on my phone, but if I tap ADB phone again, then you'll see the ADB demo text show up there, and I can go into it and open it in my favorite editor, and sure enough you can see that same text file has been transferred to my phone. So let me just go back here, and what I like to do now is to go the other way. There's also a command called Adb Pull where I can pull files from my phone and put it onto my desktop. So let me just go into here and delete this file. Okay, so you can see this folder is empty right now, and I will pull the file, which is now on my phone, back onto my desktop. So I'm going to do an Adb Pull, and then your source first, as always, SD card adb phone adb demo.txt. So I'm pulling it from the phone to that same folder in my desktop, adb desktop /. Right, so you want to make sure I always start with the source and then the destination, and my destination in this case being ADB desktop right here. Okay, so I press enter and it should show up right here. Right, it was empty before and now it shows up, and I have the same text in there. Right, so I hope this was helpful. This is a really quick video. You can of course do that for any file you wish to push or pull. You can even push and pull entire directories from your phone or to your phone using ADB. So this is a really handy tool, and I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment below, and like the video. I hope to see you guys next time.